What's up, YouTube? Quick little update on the E46 this morning. Yes, sir. Got the window in. Now I'm not gonna be freezing my ass off. A couple more things I gotta do. Let's take off the plastic on the headlights. Put in my new tail light, which is gonna get here soon. Should get here today. And then the white trunk lid, I'm gonna take the emblem off of it, put it on that one, and then fix up the cracks on this one with maybe JB weld, or I don't know, I'll find something. Might debadge it, not sure yet. Took off the plastic, looks a lot better. Now if we go to the back, got the tail lights fixed. Other than that, haven't really done much. I ordered an aux cord, but it came broken, so I'm getting a new one. Other than that, the build's come together. I really want to lower it, but I got to fix the suspension. The suspension is rough. Another good morning with the E46. Look at my oil leak puddle. I park here too much. It's embarrassing. I got my buckies. It's a quick little update of the E46. I got it on a jack stand right now. I'm about to replace the speed sensor and the brake sensor. All right, so I put the new speed sensor in. I didn't replace the wear sensor because I checked the brakes and they're pretty much gone. So that'll fix once I get brakes. If not, I have a brake sensor. I'm still getting the incorrect gear ratio when I put it in drive, so I did not get my transmission issue fixed with the speed sensor, but at least that code is gone. Now I just gotta figure out why it's not shifting into third properly. Might have to take it, see what's up with it. Hopefully it's nothing major and it's something I can do and get it back on the road. If not, I'll probably just have to park it and figure it out. I just got the other cover in. I was supposed to get two, but one of them came broken, so I'm rocking the carbon fiber on the other one. Look a little funky for a little bit until I get the other one, but it'll be all right.